Hello guys. I'm going to show you definition of computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device used to manipulate data or information. It can store, retrieve, and process information. You already know that a computer can be used to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the internet. Let's look at two elements of computers that are general: hardware and software. Hardware. Hardware is any physical component of your computer, such as the keyboard or mouse. It also contains all of the computer's internal parts. Software. Software is any set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to do it. Examples of software include web browsers, games, and word processors. What are the different types of computers? Most people associate the term computer with a personal computer such as a desktop or laptop. Computers, on the other hand, come in a variety of shapes and sizes and serve a variety of roles in our daily lives. When you use an ATM, scan groceries at the store, or use a calculator, you are utilizing a computer. Desktop computers. Desktop computers are used by many people at work, home, and school. Desktop computers are designed to be placed on a desk and typically consist of several parts, including the computer case, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Laptop computers. A laptop computer, often known as a laptop, is the second type of computer you may be familiar with. Laptop computers are battery-powered computers that are more portable than desktop computers and can be used almost any place. Tablet computers. Tablet computers, often known as tablets, are handheld computers that are even more portable than laptop computers. Rather of a keyboard and mouse, have a touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigating. A tablet is something like the iPad. Servers. A server is a computer that distributes data to other computers on a network. When you use the internet, for example, you are looking at something that is saved on a server. Local file servers are also used by many businesses to store and share files. Other types of computers. Many of today's electronics are basically specialized computers, though we don't always think of them that way. Here are a few common examples: smartphones, smartwatches, game consoles, TVs. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.